Speaker.
Thank you, Madam
And
Speaker.
stick to factual things that are in the speech.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
And leave out your speculation.
The problem here, Madam Speaker, is we are accepting speculation from those that are supporting the president and not agreeing to the facts that I'm presenting. But let me proceed. We are saying the government is late on its promises and its bills. And it is time the government transformed its lofty visions into actual projects and services to the people of this republic that gave them an opportunity to serve. Thank you, Madam Speaker, despite all the interruptions. Thank you.
The Honorable Rachel Nyamai. You'll be next, Honorable Murugara.
Yes. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, and thank you very much for also indulging me earlier. First of all, I would like to congratulate the President and start by saying that it is not